Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making stuffed chili peppers with savory pork filling. This dish is savory, juicy, and packed with that home-style flavor. This is the ground meat. Choose the lean to fat ratio based on your personal preference. Now let's season and marinate it. Here are some ginger and scallions. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of salt. And now rub it. This helps release the juice. Now pour in a splash of water. This is the scallion-ginger water. Pour it into the pork. Add in a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of 13 spices powder, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and a little squeeze of oyster sauce. Then just mix everything up with chopsticks until it's sticky and well combined. Now let's stuff the marinated pork into the chili peppers. Press it in nice and firm, but don't overpack it. Once they are all stuffed, cut it into short sections. Grab some cornstarch or potato starch and press a layer over the open end like this. It helps keep the meat from falling out while frying. And don't toss the extra starch. Add some water to make a slurry. We will use it later for thickening the sauce. Alright, let's start cooking. Heat up some oil in the wok. Now gently lay the stuffed chilies in. Tilt and swirl the wok a little so the oil coats the bottom and sides evenly. This helps the peppers cook nice and evenly without burning one side. We are looking for the blistered skin. Once both sides are done, leave them out and let the excess oil drain. Now fresh oil in the wok. Toss in the scallions and the ginger we used earlier, and let them sizzle until fragrant. Then immediately splash in 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Hear that sizzle? That's the soy sauce hitting the heat and bringing out all that savory aroma. Next, add in 5 grams of oyster sauce and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color, and pour in 150 milliliters of water, just enough to make a nice sauce base. Toss the fried peppers back in. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Look at that, time to thicken. Drizzle in the starch slurry and stir until the sauce gets silky. At the end, toss in some minced garlic and half a tablespoon of sesame oil for that final kick. Here you take the first bite. Oh, that's so good. The pork is juicy and fragrant. The peppers add a gentle heat, and the sauce ties it all together. Honestly, this tastes just like you'd order at a Chinese restaurant. Try it at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.